Hello and welcome to my talk on making carbon quantum dots from the components of lemon juice. To start off, what is a quantum dot? It is a super small cluster of atoms that together make up a ball made of 3 different layers. Each layer plays a role in how the dot works or how it interacts with its environment. These dots are able to undergo fluorescence, which is a phenomenon where the electrons found in the ball are excited and then release light. This is done by shooting a laser at the dot. Because of this, these dots can be used in a wide variety of applications, such as being used in LED TVs and bioimaging, which is similar to X-ray imaging at the doctors, but way more colorful. Traditional quantum dots are made from heavy metals, which are harmful to your body, so they cannot be used in biomedical applications. A possible solution to this is using quantum dots made from sources of carbon, called carbon quantum dots. Carbon is an element that is essential to supporting life and found in a lot of biomass, which is organic matter that could be used as fuel or energy. Many different sources of carbon can be used to create these dots, such as citrus juices, fruit peels, and tea leaves. Using lemon juice to create carbon quantum dots makes dots that have high fluorescence, meaning that they give off lots of light. Having high fluorescence is kind of like having goldfish that are super cheesy, and low fluorescence is like having goldfish that are all bland. Can the individual components that make up lemon juice do the same, or would they be better or worse? The goal of this research was to make dots using lemon juice as a whole and make dots using singular components like glucose, sucrose, and citric acid and compare them based on fluorescence. Why we are doing this is to show that lemon juice is the better material to use, especially since it is environmentally friendly, cheap, and easy to use and access. To make these dots, I used lemon juice and heated it up in a sealed container and separated any pulp and junk from the dots to then take my fluorescence readings. I copied this method with each component of the lemon juice that I tested and got these results. Looking at the graphs, the lemon juice carbon quantum dots had the highest fluorescence intensity, meaning they had the biggest number and that they gave off the most light, or that it was the cheesiest goldfish, while the dots made from sucrose, glucose, and citric acid had lower fluorescence comparatively, meaning they did not give off as much light and that they were bland goldfish. This means that lemon juice is the better material to use to make carbon quantum dots and potentially be able to use these in biomedical applications. To recap everything, quantum dots are tiny clusters of atoms that give off light when excited, and we want to make safe, non-toxic quantum dots to potentially be used in biomedical settings. I tested whether using lemon juice as a whole or using the individual components of lemon juice would create better dots, and found that using lemon juice as a whole made dots that had higher fluorescence, again meaning that they gave off more light. This allows for the potential of using these dots in different applications like TVs or biomedical settings. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed.